Submersion Holdings started business following investment from Epicorp and the founders in October 2004. Since then, we have raised $4.5 million in capital to fund R&D and business growth. We've increased our staff numbers from 4 to over 20. We're now generating sales revenues of over $1 million a year from the sale of professional service and our software, primarily in the urban planning market space. This is generally to city councils and property developers. Submersion Suburban business is a services business where the Suburban software provides the competitive advantage. Suburban is a 3D visualization application that uses geospatial data and CAD data to build highly realistic 3D models. The user can then fly anywhere within the model and view any line of sight that he wants to see within the model. Suburban is used by 30% of city councils across Australia, by a large number of state planning authorities, and by a large number of property developers as a development assessment tool to provide line of sight analysis and shadow analysis. Prior to Suburban, development assessment was primarily done with 2D planning tools, some static 3D CAD software, and fly-through animations. Suburban has changed this paradigm, fast-tracking the development process by up to 50% and removing up to 80% of litigation between property developers and city councils. It also provides a new means for property developers to market their properties. Outside Australia, Submersion has built a number of affiliate service provider partner programs that allow people to license our technology and then provide the Suburban software to provide their own services. We have set up these partner programs in the UK, Ireland, the USA, Taiwan and Italy, and we're looking for more of these as we go forward. MyCosm is a high-fidelity, web-enabled virtual world platform. MyCosm will be licensed as a white-label product to allow people to build their own B2B and B2C virtual world commercial businesses. MyCosm.com, being put together by Submersion, will be an application that we put in place with a website and a marketplace that will allow people to download a virtual world and share it with their friends. MyCosm.com will be available for free for non-commercial use. We will also put out a pro account version of MyCosm for commercial use later in 2008. Existing virtual world applications are limited by poor graphics, difficult to use interfaces, limited control by the user over the environment and the experience, no friends and very little to do. MyCosm addresses these deficiencies with voice over IP, chat and links back to a marketplace for virtual world content. For example, MyCosm has been developed through careful market research, detailed research and development, the integration of good software techniques and design, and the application of a number of middleware applications packaged together to give a new offering that is not out in the marketplace today. MyCosm will revolutionise 3D media as we know it. Gaming, advertising, marketing and social networking will all go through a paradigm shift once MyCosm is deployed. It will also make an impact on education, training and online shopping. When we port the MyCosm technology across to Suburban, we'll also be able to extend this into a number of new market applications that require geospatial accuracy and precision. For example, engineering, GIS in 3D, command and support systems for emergency services and defence, and a range of other applications where spatial data is really important.